Good day to everyone. So today would be the continuation of your lesson number 1. So if you haven't watched it, you need to go back with the lesson number 1 stated in your stream, enable for you to get the easier answers in our lesson number 2. So we have here a hook wherein we are given an instruction. List all the factor pairs and factors of 12. Circle all the prime numbers and cross out all the composite numbers. Let's start by finding the factor pairs. What are the factor pairs? Good. Factor pairs are the two numbers that we can multiply to get a certain number or given number. But today we are looking for the factor pairs of 12. So what are the factor pairs of 12? Let's start with the smallest number. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 6 times 2, and 12 times 1. Now that we have the factor pairs of 12, we can easily get the factors of given number 12. So what are those factors of 12? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. After listing all the factors, pairs, and the factor of 12, we need to do the second instruction. Circle the prime numbers. Again, what is prime numbers? Prime numbers has only two factors. Then we need to cross out all the composite number. Composite number, they have more than two factors. So let's start. Let's start with number 1. Factors of 1, or the factors of 12, which is 1. 1, is it prime or a composite? Okay, so as you observe on the past lesson, 1 is neither prime or composite because this is a special number, so we'll skip that one. How about 2? Okay, 2 is a prime number, so we encircle it. How number 3? Good, still prime number. How about 4? Yes, it is composite, so we need to cross it out. How about 6? Good, it is composite, so we need to cross out again. How about 12? Composite, so cross out. So now we can identify what are the prime numbers and composite numbers of 12. So the prime numbers of 12 would be 2 and 3. While the composite numbers in 12 are 4, 6, and 12. So today we will find the prime factors of numbers using the 3 method. So in your activity, we have the given instruction. Write the given number. Choose two numbers that make the factor pairs. Then check if the factors are prime or composite. If the factor is prime, then stop there. If it is composite, find its factor pair until all the factors are prime. So let's start. Let's have the example 12. We need to draw two sticks to form a tree diagram. Think of a two number that we can multiply to get 12. Okay, there's a possibility that you can use 3 times 4. Okay, look at the factors, 3 and 4. 3, we'll start at 3. Thus, 3 a prime or composite? Okay, it is prime. Because it is prime, we need to stop there. Okay, so enable for us to identify that we have stopped there, we just encircle it. How about 4, composite or prime? Very good, that is prime. When it is composite, we need to find its factor pairs again until we come up with prime factor in all numbers we ended. 4. What are the two numbers we can multiply to get 4? Very good. That is 2 times 2. So as you can see, 2 is a prime numbers. So we will encircle it. So we can see that by getting the factor 3 diagram of our 12, we come up with prime factorization. So the prime factorization is of 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. How can we assure that these multiplied numbers are equal to 12? So we can check that one by multiplying 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 3, it's 12. So 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 is the prime factorization of 12. Now it's your turn to answer letter A and B. I want you to pause the video and able for you to answer the following in your math notebook. Find the factor of the following number, encircle the prime number, and if it is composite, continue until you reach prime numbers at the end. So pause the video, enable for you to finish your activity. Okay, time is up. So let's check your answer. In letter A, we have 24. Think of a number that we can multiply to get 24. Very good. We can multiply 2 times 12 is equal to 24. So we all know that 2 is a prime number. So we need to encircle it. How about 12? Okay, that is composite. So we need to find again a two numbers that we can multiply to get 12, or we need to find the factors of 12. That would be 3 times 4. Okay. So 3 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it. How about 4? 4 is a composite, so we need to find another factor pairs to get 4. Okay, 2 times 2. So 2 are prime numbers. So we will encircle it. So what are the prime factorization of 24? That would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Because there are 3 2's in the 3 diagram, we write 3 times with the number 2 and multiplied by a 1, third number 3. How about in letter B? Think of a number that we can multiply to 45. Think of a factor pairs that we can multiply to get 45. Very good. That would be 3 times 15. So we all know that 3 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it. How about 15? It is composite. So composite, so we need to find another factor pairs that we can multiply to get 15. That would be 3 times 5. So we all know that 3 and 5 are prime numbers or prime factors. So we will encircle it. So what are the prime factorization of 45? That would be 3 times 3 times 5. I hope that you got the correct answer. Oh, teacher, there's a possible that I can change the following um, factor pairs. Yes, but then the final answer would be ended the same as in 24, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Also in 45, we have 3 times 3 times 5. So draw the factor 3's to find the prime factors of 8 and 32. So list the common prime factors. So let's start in 8. So 8 we can multiply 2 times 4. So 2 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it. 4 is composite. So we can multiply 2 times 2. So these 2's are prime factors or prime numbers. So we need to encircle it. So the prime factorization of 8 would be 2 times 2 times 2. How about 32? We can multiply 2 times 16 to get 36. Again, 2 is a prime factor, so we'll encircle it. How about 16? We got 4 times 4. So because this 4 can be multiplied by 2 times 2 and the another 2 times 2. So all of them are prime factors. So we can see that the prime factors of 8 would be 2, 2, 2, while the prime factors of 32 would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we will finding the least, or we need to list the common prime factors. Okay, so here are the prime factors of 8 and 32. So we need to find the common between them. What are the common prime numbers of 8 and 32? So we need to encircle it. 2, 2, and 2. Any other? No more. So the common prime factors of 8 and 32 are 2, 2, and 2. So now that you know how to do the prime factorization, I want you to do your second offline activity for today, workbook. In your workbook, sit work number 2, prime factorization in page 9. So in number 1, you need to list all the factors of 38 and fill in the blank. So in letter A, you need to find the factor of 68. B, factors that are prime. Okay, you need to separate the prime and letter C and the factors that are composite. In number 2, you need to draw the factor 3 that we do the same in our activity to find the prime factors of each given number. So in number 3, we need to find the common prime factors of 56 and 90 using the prime factorization. And do not forget to submit your work afterwards. So that would be all for today. God bless.